Greetings friends, I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I've done an unboxing of this razor, but I'm going to do a complete shave with this razor. This is the Henson Ti22. Ti stands for titanium, as opposed to the Henson AL13, which is aluminum. This is a step up, and the razor actually weighs twice as much as the aluminum version. Let's go around the box. Henson shaving. It's a nice cardboard paper, pull-out sleeve type box. There's a look at the razor and a package of blades stowed neatly inside. Some instructions on the side of the box, both sides of the box. Let's remove it. If you buy it from Shave Nation, it will come with a 5-pack of RK blades right there. Beautiful looking razor, titanium. It's the aircraft aluminum color. This is the only color the Ti22 comes in. The AL13 comes in 5 or 6 different colors, but the Ti22, this is it. This color right here. And this is version 2. All the razors we have now are version 2. The version 1s, they've been gone for a while. Version 2 changes, different lather channels, better lather channels for quicker and easier rinsing. The corners are tapered instead of squared off. Those are your most noticeable differences right there. Let's take a look at it. You can see it's got this banding going around the handle for a very secure grip. It's very easy to hold on to. So it starts out a little bit smooth, and then you've got a series of bands running all the way down the very bottom of the razor. It's just smooth, no logo. Here's a peek at the underside. If you can see that. Let me unscrew it. It's a 3-piece razor. Disassemble, remove the handle. Here is the top cap. And if you can see that, it says TI, and then there's 3 pluses. Plus, plus, plus means it's the aggressive version. It also comes in a medium version, which would show 2 pluses on there, and then the mild version would show 1 plus. And it's also on the safety bar as well. So you know both match up. See the 3 pluses right there? There you have it. I'm going to install an RK blade. There's a look at the package. Here's what the blade looks like in the paper. No glue on the first flap. No glue on the second flap. A slight amount of glue holding the paper to the blade. Comes off easily. And really very little glue showing on the blade. Right there. And it's only on one side. It's not on the other side. Let's secure that right over the threaded post and the 2 pins, the 2 slots I should say. Those slots will really lock it down. And then here's the safety bar. This rounded portion goes on the outside, not toward the blade. You want it to look like that. Then reassemble the handle. 10 or 11 turns to tighten it all the way. Here's a look at the blade reveal. You can see that it's perfectly even on both sides. Excellent feel in the hand, long enough where you can drop it in the palm. This razor is made of grade 5 titanium, which is lighter than steel, but also stronger. And I'll give you the specs on this razor. The Ti22, it weighs in at 2.7 ounces or 76 grams. The overall length from top to bottom is 4.1 inches. Or 104 millimeters. Like I said, it's double the weight of the AL13. One other detail about this razor, titanium threads have a higher likelihood to bind or gall when you're tightening and loosening it. So they made the extra effort to machine Nitronic 60 stainless steel threaded inserts that make for a better feel when tightening and loosening the blade. So that's a plus. Just nice and smooth. It doesn't grab or bind at all. Just a nice smooth opening and closing mechanism. Very easy. Okay, the components of the shave, I'm going to use, we just got these in. The Goodfellas Smile shaving soaps. We also got some of their razors too. Very cool Italian, European style razors. But we just got the soaps in. I will use the Solo shaving soap. Let's take a quick peek at it. I've read that these use a little more water, so what I'm going to do, just turn on the hot water. And I'm going to, this is called blooming the soap. Just put a little bit of hot water right on top of it, like so, and let that soak in. That'll soften the soap so it'll lather up easier. I'm going to use the Edwin Jagger black synthetic shaving brush with the rubber coated handle and chrome accents. You can see the Edwin Jagger running around there, around that upper band. It's Edwin Jagger twice going around the band. And there's a look at the bristles, nice and soft. Not too floppy, it's got a pretty good backbone for a synthetic brush. I will fill up my skull cup with some hot water right here. I'm going to drop the brush right in there and let it soak for a minute. While it's soaking, I'll read this to you about the Goodfellas Smile Solo Shaving Soap. Here's the scent profile. A bold composition full of personality that opens with elusive notes of mandarin, blending with the intensity of Indian sandalwood. Solo is as seductive and charming as those who wear it. Sexy. Nice. Top notes, citrus, mandarin, lemon, eucalyptus. Middle notes, jasmine, lily of the valley, gardenia, clary sage. Base notes, woody, amber, sandalwood, musk, tonka bean, vetiver. A lot of ingredients in there. Should be good. I'm just going to remove the brush, give it a couple shakes, get rid of most of the moisture. And I'm going to go in here and just swirl these tips right here, right into the soap. Some of it is dripping down. I wonder if I can generate more lather if I go into the bowl. Let's see. Shave Nation bowl under the hot water. Just warming it up a little bit. See if I just go in here and start swirling, what happens. I could take my spoon and break out a little chunk and drop it in the bowl, but just by wetting the, soaking the tips, loading the tips, seems to be giving me some pretty good lather here. Just running the tips of the brush into the lather spot. You've got lather coming up around the edges. Got enough lather for a couple passes for sure. Just scoop that back down, right into the lather spot. And the friction builds more lather, you can see. It's getting thicker and thicker the more I swirl. Plenty of lather there for several passes. All right, we'll set that down. Here's what the soap looks like. I would normally now just rinse this off. Here, I'll show you. I just give it a quick rinse just to remove that residual soap that's up on top. And I'll let that dry in free air. And then after that, I'll put the cap on. Ready for the next shave. I'll warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. All right, you can see my face is good and red. Nice and warm. Let's grab our brush and our bowl. As I said, plenty of lather there for several passes. Start on the right side. Work our way across. Nice lather, nice and thick. Smells sweet. So dabbing, swirling, painting, whatever you prefer. Just cover all the areas you intend to shave. Figure 8, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Swipe the neck. Clear the runway so we can see our sideburns. Here we go, wet fingers on the razor, under the hot water. Let's do it. Cut the sideburn. Start a little bit lower, work your way up for your straight line, right there. Then work your way down. I have heavy beard growth, so shorter strokes will work best for that. Performing very well on my heavy beard growth. One side is filled, flip it over. Taking it off very easily. Both sides are filled. Let's rinse that. Rinses out very easily, just 2 or 3 seconds, completely rinsed out, and lots of stubble down at the bottom of the drain. Okay, left side, find that angle, cut that sideburn, get that straight line, work your way down. It's very intuitive because it has the angle, kind of gives you the angle on your face. So you just match that up. It's very easy. Kind of a no-brainer. It's filled up. I'll flip it over. Clean the cleft. Right down the neckline. Nice feedback from the razor too. You could hear it working. Half the fun is hearing that beard being removed. Okay, both sides filled. Let's rinse it. Again, rinses quickly and easily. Now we scoop under the mustache. Very easy to get under because of that angle. You can see that profile, how easy it is to get under the nose. Clean out those hairs. Excellent. Rinse that. Just a very slight rinse to the face. Leave your residual cream on there. It'll help you keep it slick. Grab your brush and bowl. Just a light coating this time. Since the bulk of the beard has already been removed, just paint on a light coating. Figure 8, smooth it out. Set the brush down. Swipe. Swipe. Clear the runways again. Alright, the first pass was with the grain, north to south. Now we're going to go across the grain. Backhand. Very efficient. Easily removing my beard growth. Rinse. Against the grain on the neck. Just letting the weight of the razor do the work. Just apply enough pressure to keep it against the skin. Rinse. Now across under the mustache. First I go with the corner on an angle and then lay it flat on the upper lip. Same thing on the other side, reverse it. Then lay it flat. Little cleanup. Make sure I got everything. Rinse. Quick rinse to the face. Feel around. Nice and smooth. Baby smooth. If you're baby smooth everywhere, you can stop right here. But I'll show you where you can take your brush and just do the cheeks. Get those cheeks baby smooth. Like glass. Just take the razor. Now you want to do a skim coat. So you don't want to scrape like this, but you want to put it like this. Work your way up. Tilt the handle upward until it catches. Find that sweet spot. There you go, perfect. Other side, stretching the skin with the opposite hand. Skim coat. Skim pass. Very good, rinse that. If you have trouble gripping your skin, just take your Shave Nation wide stick Allen block, remove the cap, under the cold water, rub your fingers on there. You'll be able to grip your skin even if it's soapy. Nice and easy. We'll do a final rinse of the razor and then a cold water rinse to the face. Beautiful. Nice and smooth. Take your wide stick alum block under the cold water. Just glide that all over the areas you shaved. Sealing off any nicks or weepers if you got any, which we did not. We got a close, smooth, comfortable shave. Just recap it, set that down. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Now you want to pat the face dry. Just pat it till it's slightly damp. And then you can apply aftershave balm or lotion, whatever you have. This is Edwin Jagger Moisturizing Aftershave Lotion Sandalwood. Right there. I'm going to use that. Remove the cap. And as I discovered in my previous video, it's very concentrated, so you only need a little bit. 1 squirt. That's it. Last time I used 2 squirts and it was way too much. Here we go. Just massage that in. You can see how it's white, but it will quickly absorb into the skin. As long as you don't use too much like I did last time. Let's feel around. Cheeks, mustache, chin, neck, very smooth. Excellent shave provided by this Henson Ti22 version 2 titanium safety razor. Here's a better look at the accents on the handle. You check that out. Very ornate, grooved enough where it's very easy to grip it. And as I said, long enough to drop in the palm, even a little bit of room to spare, which is really nice. I like razors with a little bit longer handle, so this is very comfortable. And it is heavier than the AL13 by twice as much. So if you want a heftier razor, Ti22. It is more expensive, but titanium is going to last a lifetime. I would still, when I'm done with it, I would clean it up, remove any water spots, make sure it dries without any droplets of water on it, because you can probably still get a water stain even if it is aluminum or titanium. Just take care of your tools, they'll take care of you. All right, final look, there it is. Excellent shave, 2.5 passes, I'm baby smooth. If you want to pick up any of these items, this razor, bowl, brush, cream, aftershave, any of it, wide stick alum block, click below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab the items right there, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Please like, comment, subscribe. Right now, click that subscribe button, do it. It'll help the channel. I appreciate it. Share my videos with your friends, over 600 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.